Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homoeopathy, kabaran hapo maudeng diang Shillong, kabahapa po ka jingpet jingkmi, jong katnat Ayush jong ka Sarkar India, haka sipotrek mutaw na yayong arajar kat kandai, kala Rakhe ya ka World Homoeopathy Day, kabadairu ka lingko sikha, kaba arspa andru pusaw jong Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann, ubaralong udongsyam ya ka jingsuma da kidawai homeopathy. Lasdang ya ka nagijang Rakhe bala pelong ha conference hall jong ka Neiah, da kabatang ya ka syarang, bat penkoburam da usuntiw ya kador jong Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Ukpa jong karukom sumar homeopathy da director jong ka Neiah u Professor Dr. P.K. Goswami. Ringkat kajian lang u director barim jong ka National Institute of Homoeopathy, Kolkata, u Professor Dr. Samir Kumar Bhattacharya. Bat ka Dr. C.A.R. Dingdo jong katnat CDC Nehu Shillong. Hakani kasingila pun ko buram ru ya ki prangot ki Dr. Homeopathy ki ba nakaleng ki jela jong ani kathan stay lamingi ki balano senyang sibun ya katnan jong ka homeopathy ba lasam ru ya ki kusnam she ki samla pule jong ka Neiah ki balai shimenta hakajinya kop tho ese.
Few minutes back your director he was telling that we should make some evidence for the development of homeopathy, for the belief of homeopathy. There is a problem, I am telling you. Only creating some evidence will not solve. Till date, the pathway of action of homeopathic medicine is not well established. We have given some philosophical explanations, but that is not sufficient for the scientific world. And we homeopaths are not capable of doing that, for which we are looking forward towards the scientists. And when I was the director, I took some initiative. At that time, the advisor of Government of India was Dr. S.P. Singh. Both of us tried to involve this homeopathic system with some scientists from different areas who are working on physics and chemistry and different scientific areas. There were little bit progress, but the progress was not sufficient enough to show you the pathway of action of homeopathic medicine. That is a very problem for us. Unless that path is clearly given, introduced or displayed, it is